Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast.
How's it going, guys?
Today Derek and I are going to start taking off all those panels that we were talking about in the episode before the last one.
All the rusty, rotten metal, any of the tin that we're not actually going to need for what we're doing with our build. All this stuff, it's all pretty dinged up. Just basically riveted on, so all we're going to leave is the dash, be able to line up the windshield a little bit easier. But all the tin you see in here, some rusty stuff inside. What else do we got?
Well, we're going to move all this wiring, right?
Yep.
Take all the wiring off inside. Likely remove all of this metal back here, try and get the fuel cell out.
Yeah, see what kind of shit. This bar is pretty dinged up here, so we might have to do some replacing, but I mean, it's not structural, it's just meant for,
it's bumping. Yeah, you put your guy bumping.
So. Yeah, whatever we can find that should be cleaned up, replaced, or not needed for what we're doing is going to be gone.
I'm actually going to climb under here. I know it's, sorry about the lighting, guys, but actually, let's get a light in here. So down here, you can see that there's the muffler and the exhaust, and it's about a 4-foot pipe. So I'm going to go and I'm going to see what I can do about getting under there and removing that. But before we do any of that, we're gonna pull out the vacuum and we're gonna vacuum this thing.
Yeah.
I'm not getting under it with all of this, whatever this stuff is.
You'll be chewing on mouse crap and whatever this is.
Yummy.
Looks like something that come out of an owl's belly, you know?
Owl pellets.
Owl pellets, yeah. Possibly. Anyway.
Let's get to work. Okay guys, I'm gonna attack this. There's really, from what I can see, there's really only one spot down here where, I don't know, can you guys see that?
Let's get in there.
Really just that one connection. So I'm gonna zip. Yeah, I think that's it. I mean, that I can see right now from where I'm at. Oh, wait, there's one more over here.
Okay.
So I'll zip those two off and this thing should hopefully come right out. Thinking the best way to get this out is probably the way it came in.
Bring it out through the... This is why there's a skinny guy and a fat guy. That's a skinny guy right here. Oh, money.
Yes. Right. Oh, look, it says cast car on it. Oh, man. A little bit stuck here.
Oh, yeah?
Oil can. Whatever this is.
Catch can?
Yeah. Can you grab that set of snips over there? Zip discs and snips to take this thing apart. It's held together with rivets and zip ties.
Yep. I'm sure it had duct tape, but it probably all just blew away.
And years it was sitting around.
Yeah. Some sort of catch can, I think.
And it's just
flow.
Just like, there we go. It's getting caught on back there.
Tailpipe, you got it now. There you go.
Look at this thing. Yeah.
Cast car?
There's cast car on it.
Yeah.
That's cool. I didn't know they had like a Muffler, probably, yeah. A muffler they have to run, right?
Well, that's what Mike was saying out of Buxton. That they had to put mufflers on the cars because they're so loud. And like you hear how loud they are just with mufflers on them.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Imagine them without
Mufflers.
mufflers. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so that should do that for the mufflers. Except there appears to be another one underneath there, so
Seriously?
we're gonna we're gonna repeat that process.
Yeah.
Spare you guys the time. We'll get it done. Got it. Agility.
Youngster. So, after that last little mishap, I've probably got a nice welt on my leg. Still a little sore. New blade and safety glasses.
Garrett's gonna have to cut the car in half now, so we'll get back with you guys in a minute.
Alright, they're in broke loose.
A pair of gloves? I'm having flashbacks. Hey! Jeez, this thing is a tough car, man.
Yeah.
He's
Toughest piece of rust.
yeah, right? The rustiest piece of metal on it just took like 15 or 20 minutes to get that thing off. This is a tough car. He's tough. He's tough.
Yeah.
I like it. He can take it.
That was a lot easier.
Got it.
This thing is relentless to come apart. Or we're just being like just too gentle on it.
No, I don't think we're being gentle. I think that the guys who built this had stocks in the rivet company, and they thought, you know what? Let's just buy it all.
Yep.
Put it all in here.
Yeah.
So it's coming away. Look at that. Exposed the tire.
Hey, remember what I said about duct tape? I'm sure it had duct tape, but it probably all just blew away. No, there's probably duct tape on there.
Ah, there it is.
Sure enough, we found duct tape.
Yeah, that's a structural component.
Structural.
You know that? Use that on airplanes.
Yeah. Well, it is 100-mile-an-hour tape, right?
Oh, that's not going to cut it.
Yeah.
No wonder.
No.
No wonder it came off.
Yeah, we'll blow that off there.
No problem.
Yeah.
Next. Next, I got to put my kid to bed. I'll be right back.
Yep.
Boom. There he is. Missing a whole side of him. Looking more like a desert dune buggy now with those sides gone.
We need to go a different direction on this thing. We'll go all-wheel drive dune buggy.
Dune buggy. We could take it to South Buxton.
LS.
Mm-hmm.
Buxton. That'll be hard to drive with Buxton all-wheel drive though.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
We might have to find out.
Well, I think that's where we're gonna call it for the night, guys. It's getting a little bit late, and we both got to work in the morning.
Yeah, and I'm getting kind of hungry too. So
Yeah, me too.
yeah, we go home and destroy some leftovers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you like what you're seeing, please remember to subscribe and like, comment, and share. And we're going to continue to work on this. We actually had a really great conversation today with Randy,
Yep.
who's going to be helping us with the engine. And we got a bunch of part numbers that we're going to put on order. And so there's exciting stuff coming in the near future.
Yep.
And also look for videos on the EK.
Yeah, it's time to start working on it again. I kind of walked away from it. It was a little frustrating.
Yeah, the front suspension, the front
suspension
brakes.
is destroyed. Just trying to get everything apart, and a lot more than what I really wanted to get into. But it is what it is. So weather's nice now, and things are starting to come apart. I got a torch, and we'll have some footage on that. And,
Yeah, C4.
Yeah, C4
if needed.
Yeah, we went from WD-40 impacts. That's not working, so now we have to go to fire and whatever else it's going to take. Sawzall, possibly C4.
Yeah. We're at a point where we're almost ready to we're just gonna hack everything off maybe and just.
It will be for sale when it's done, but I'm not going to get rid of it until it's got to be safety and ready to go. I mean, it's more than what I wanted to deal with, so I don't want to have it any longer than what I need to. It's going to be a project, and then it's going to go. So look forward to future things with that, but we'll have some footage coming up soon.
Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned, guys, and as always, stick around. We'll see how fast we can make this car go.